to you guys. So I'm actually going to dress right now, and I'll be heading over to the bank, Zenith Bank precisely, because I've been having issues with my account for the last couple of, should I say, a week, not a week, and I couldn't have access to my account. So I was told to go to the bank and sort it out. So heading to the bank last week, I was told that my account has been closed, that I need to apply for a bank draft before accessing the money I kept there. I've been in the bank and it was actually stressful. And I think the number they gave to me was number 95. Can you just imagine? 95, and I had to wait all the way to get to my turn. I'm going to head over to the bank today, probably to see them again and know why. And also, I'm going to be withdrawing some money that I kept there for my personal issues. And from there, I'm going to be heading over to the mall to get some fabrics because my client has brought some clothes for their Salah celebration. She wanted to make some clothes, and I am to get a nice crepe material which will be suiting the outfits she brought, the material she brought. So I will just take you guys along the process of what I am doing. I may not probably stitch the material today. I mean the cotton and the stitching. I might not probably stitch it. It would have to take some time because I'm actually working on my tutorials and making someone else's clothes apart from mine, apart from what I choose to upload on YouTube is really, really stressful, and I have to make out time for that. That's all. I'll see you guys later. This is actually the material she brought for the style she chose. So they're actually two. I'll be choosing a plain fabric for this because she would like to combine it, and I'm actually going to pick in between this cream and this nude. So I don't know if you can see this. So the nude is going to go for the style which she has chosen, and this is also for another different style. This is what it is, and I'll just go ahead and get something exclusively related to this in plain form, and I'll combine it. And probably I might be cutting the clothes today and getting ready to stitch it.
1 hour later.
From the bank, I went straight to the market to pick out the fabric I'll be needing for my client's dress, and also I picked some clothing items as well. This is actually the material I chose to combine with the client's dress. So I'm just going ahead to get 2 yards of this, and probably that will be enough for what I'll be using it for.
The next day.
It's a brand new day, and I set out an appointment with few amazing YouTubers in Abuja. It was actually a hangout, and we chose a place called Maba in Metama, and here we are. The place is really nice and relaxing, very, very relaxing. Guys, if you're looking for a quiet place in Abuja to chill and relax, just go ahead and locate this place called Maba. It's in Abuja. You can get all your local dishes, your foreign dishes, they're all there. Whatsoever you want to request, be it any kind of food, pastries, cakes, anything you want at all, fries and the rest, it's all here. So we got to find a relaxing spot for our sit out, and there are also some of these beautiful sculptural designs we can see behind.
That one here, her name is Evergreen. This is Osetale. This is Reme.
You like Toma? Then you feel her. No, me I already like some of me. I mean, me her sis.
Guys, this is Vivian.
Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon.
So, like I said, if you like Reme's act, you film it.
Ah, no, Reme is right here.
Which one do you guys prefer? Do you want to sit here? No, you sit there. It's already. Okay, all the floor. The full rice. Yeah. Thank
Dark of night, the stars light up the sky. We see them flying free. That's just like you.
Early the next morning.
So I had a client close that I have been working on for the past 3 days, and reason being that there has been no light and I work with light. So I am almost done with the top. You can see the front and the back. I didn't make this as a tutorial because I wasn't going to upload it on my channel. Anyways, it's a simple top with basic bodice, round neck, and a sleeve that is called the leg of Newton. You're going to be seeing how the sleeve looks like. This is what it looks like. I actually pleated the sleeve at the armhole like you actually see on my work table. So that is the leg of Newton sleeve with a little bit of exaggeration. This is the outcome, this is the finishing part, this is how it looks. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye.